What is a preposition? Well, an informal definition for a preposition is that it is an in-between word. Not sure what I mean? Let me give a few examples. At, by, for, from, in, of, on, to, with. Starting to get the hang of it? Now let me give a more formal definition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to form a phrase that modifies another word in the sentence. Basically, prepositions describe relationships between different elements in a sentence. Where is the book? It's on the desk. When is your aunt leaving town? She's here until Sunday. Three of the most common and tricky prepositions are at, on, and in. These three prepositions are used to specify time and place. First, let's go over their uses for time. Let's start with at. At is used for a specific time, like 7 a.m. When do you wake up in the morning? I wake up at 7 a.m. Now on. On is used for a specific day or date. When is Halloween this year? It's on Thursday. And in? In is used for events that take place during a specific period of time. When is Halloween? It's in October. Now place. At. At is for a meeting place or location. Where shall we meet? Let's meet at the museum. On. On is for a surface. Where is the painting? It's on the wall. In? In is for enclosed space or geographic location. Where is the Metro card? It's in my wallet. Where is Washington, D.C.? It's in the U.S. Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.